Hello, Dr. Kate here from the Chiro Street, and today I'm going to go over one of my favorite posture exercises. This is specifically for people who really struggle to get their shoulders back and not really sure if they're putting it in the right position. So you can grab a towel and use this as an anchor point and to guide you as well. You're basically going to put the towel on the wall, running down your spine. It's going to be in between your shoulder blades, and you're just going to lean against the wall, and I'm basically going to be squeezing my shoulder blades together. So it's kind of like I'm wrapping my shoulder blades around the towel, and then I'm releasing, okay? So wrapping around for 3, 2, 1, give it a squeeze, and then release. And then you'll go again for 3, 2, 1, try to squeeze the towel, and then release. And you do that about 10 times. And what I'm doing is A, activating my muscles, B, I can actually feel my shoulder blades coming back together around the towel, which is essentially pulling my shoulder back together as well. So give that one a go. It's another really great posture exercise to do. Nice and simple, just use a towel at home. And again, you want to do that ideally in the morning and the evening. So you're doing it a few times a day to retrain that muscle memory. Any questions, just get in contact. Otherwise, look forward to hearing how you go.